This moi moi recipe will never fail you. Everyone will love this one. You guys, after trying this moi moi recipe, you will never cook moi moi the same way again. I keep saying this, but trust me, it's so good. First, you want to cook your fish, preferably mackerel fish. Go ahead and season with any seasoning of your choice. I used seasoning cube, salt, curry powder, chopped onions and garlic. Proceed by adding water, stir, cover and allow to cook. Few minutes later, I check on it and remove it from the stock. Now, you can choose to fry or air fry. I'm going to transfer in my air fryer and allow it to dry a bit. The next step is to blend my beans. Obviously, I have peeled, washed and soaked overnight. You can soak for 4 to 6 hours. This process is to help your blender to blend it without spoiling your blender. Unless you have a very strong blender, you can blend immediately after washing your beans. As you can see, I use the fish stock to blend the beans. Over here, I've got my tatashe and enough onions. If you want tasty and delicious moi moi, add more onions because onions are naturally sweet. Once that is done, I will add oil in a pot, allow to heat up. Next, I will add my blended peppers and onions, stir, and add seasoning cubes, salt and paprika. Stir and allow to fry until the water dries up. Next, I'll add my mashed mackerel fish, stir, and it's ready. The next step is to combine the sauce and the blended beans. Stir very well to combine and taste for salt and the consistency. I will be portioning with moi moi pouch. You can use foil plates or anything you prefer. Once that is done, I will transfer in my boiling water and cook for 35 to 40 minutes or until done. At this time, I check on it and it's ready. You guys, this moi moi will literally melt in your mouth. It's bora. Save and enjoy.